Let's look at this question now. A function f is defined on all natural numbers a and b such that f of a into b is defined as f of a into f of b. So this function is defined as f of, if input is a cross b, then this function is defined as f of a into f of b, the product of these two. If the output of the function is also a natural number and f of 3 is greater than f of 2 is greater than f of 1, mind you, the output is also a natural number, so the minimum value this function can hold is 1, right? Because 1 is the smallest natural number. Also, f1 is less than f2, f2 is less than f3. So these are in increasing, right? These are in increasing order from 1 to 3. Then find the value of f of 48 given that f of 54 is given as 375. Okay, so we are given this value and we have to find the value of function of the value of f of 48, right? So there has to be something from this number so that I can reach at this value, right? Can you see this 54? How can you break this 54? This 54 is nothing but 9 into 6. Can you see 27 into 2? So this would be 2 into 3 cube. And this 48 is 6 into 8 or 16 into 3. That is, this 48 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. Can you see these numbers are made up of only two prime numbers, that is 2 and 3, right? So this is my trigger. Oh, I can find the value of this number. For example, f of 54 is given as 375, right? Now can I write it as f of 54 can be written as f of 9 into f of 6, right? 9 into 64. And f of 9 can be written as f of 3 into 3, right? And this could be written as f of 3 into 2. So f of 3 whole cube into f of 2. This is f of 54, correct? F54 can be written as this, and this has to be equal to 375. This is equal to 375, which means because these are natural numbers, so I need to break this 375 into some powers and products of natural numbers. So let's just find the factors of this number, right? Let's just prime factorize this number. So I can divide it by 25 itself. So 25 into 115, right? So I can write it as 5, yes, into 3, yeah, 125 into 3. So this could be written as 3 into 5 cube. Either I can make this number into some cube into some number as 5 cube into 3, 5 cube into 3, right? Or I can written it as, or I can have it as 1 into 1 cube into 375, right? I could also write this number as 1 cube into 375. But now guys, can you see, if I take this expression as f cube into f2, problem here is, if you compare these terms, f of 3 would be equal to 1, and that cannot be equal to 1 because f3 is greater than f2 and f1 both. And the minimum value that f3 can hold is 3. The minimum value that f3 can hold is 3. Why? Because in that case, f1 would be 1, f2 would be 2. So minimum value is 3. How can it be 1? So this is not possible. So we need to compare these sides, these two sides. So from here, comparing this with these terms, I get f of 3 as 5 and I'm getting f of 2 as 3. F of 2 as 3. Now I need to find the value of f of 1, right? I have given the f of 2 as 3 I can write it as 2 into 1, and that would be f of 2 into f of 1. Can you see f of 2 cannot be equal to 1? Oh, sorry, is not equal to 0. So I can cancel out these and I get the f of 1 as 1. So I'm getting the value of f1 as, so I'm getting the value of f1 as 1, f of 2 as 3, f of 3 as 5. Can I find the value of f of 48? It would be 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. So I can write it as f of 3 into f of 2 raised to the power 4, because I can write the 16 as f of 2 raised to the power 4. And it would be f of 3 is 5 and f of 2 is 3. 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. So that would be equal to 405. Or option B is the correct answer.